with generative AI, it's able to capture and gather tons and tons of information in its short-term memory that allows us to leverage it to do better testing and better test case creation, test case generation, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. So now, let's talk about LLMs or generative AI. A lot of you might be familiar with ChatGPT, OpenAI, Bard, Facebook's or Meta's Llama, but there's so many others out there. They are not able to maintain just 7 things in their short-term memory. They're able to maybe maintain 32,000. And that's amazing when it comes to implementing that and leveraging that to test your business systems, test your workflows, and test your data integrity across all of these places. But what's really interesting is there's not just 3 or 4 LLM tools. There's a bunch more. There's Vertex AI, which is Google's ML Ops platform. I believe it was announced in 2021. And they're also able to maintain and capture 50 pages of data in their short-term memory, which is much more than those 7 facts that I was talking about earlier. And then there's Llama, which is based on a lot of models. It's trained on tons of facts, tons of data. There's Falcon, which is an AI model. And again, Falcon 7 is trained on 7 billion parameters and 1,500 billion tokens. And then there's, I think, Falcon 50, or Falcon 40, which is trained on 40 billion parameters and over 1 trillion tokens. That's phenomenal. That's allowing you to leverage all of that context, all of the data, to be able to help you create and do a lot more with testing. So what I'm getting to is the amount of data and the amount of context that's available is really helpful to leverage large language models and generative AI in our software, in our testing.